The youths are dying and I feel it's high time we find a lasting solution to this problem before it gets out of hand.
Baby, they're chasing me with cutlass!
Where are you coming from? Arrest them. Arrest them.
We were at the club and there was an hotel and I had to stay over.
Say, arrest him!
It must stop. Yes!
No! Don't kill me!
Jesus!
Stop! The most important thing right now is for us to get to the root of all this.
My seku people.
You need to. Oh, please!
I'm sorry I overstepped my bounds.
Ziggy Zagans.